I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw BTC from an Electrum wallet. First, open your Electrum application and confirm it's connected to the network and fully synchronized. This ensures you have the most current balance and transaction history. Next, navigate to the Send tab, which is where you'll initiate all outgoing Bitcoin transactions. Finally, make sure you have the exact Bitcoin address of the recipient ready to paste. Double-check it carefully to avoid errors. Now paste the recipient's Bitcoin address into the Pay to field. Accuracy is crucial here, so always verify the address. Then input the specific amount of Bitcoin you intend to send. You can enter it in BTC or your local currency, like $100, and Electrum will convert it. Finally, review the transaction fee. A higher fee typically means faster confirmation on the blockchain, but you can often choose a custom or recommended fee. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details. Confirm the recipient's address, the Bitcoin amount, and the transaction fee are all correct. Once you are certain everything is accurate, click the Send button to initiate the transfer. Electrum will then prompt you to enter your wallet password. This security step authorizes the transaction and protects your funds from unauthorized access. After entering your password, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. You can monitor its status in the History tab of your Electrum wallet. It will initially show as unconfirmed, and then gain confirmations over time, typically taking 10-30 minutes for initial confirmation. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be securely transferred. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.